Transitioning to a career in web development lets you enter a world where creativity and logic merge to build the digital experience that will shape how we connect, learn, shop, and entertain ourselves online. Web development is a versatile and dynamic field, offering rewarding careers for those willing to learn and adapt. People from many different backgrounds successfully transition into this profession, bringing unique perspectives that enrich the tech ecosystem. Your first step is to assess your existing skills and how they'll align with web development. Beyond coding, skills like problem solving, collaboration, and understanding user needs are invaluable. For example, if you have experience interfacing with clients, you likely have insights into user behavior that can inform you how to create intuitive interfaces. Backgrounds in data or analytics provide a strategic edge when optimizing website performance. Understanding the main branches of web development helps focus your learning. Front-end development focuses on what users see and interact with, the layout, design, and responsive behavior on various devices. If you're visually oriented and enjoy creating engaging user experiences, front-end could be a great fit. You'll start with the foundational technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then progress into frameworks like React or Angular. Backend development deals with behind-the-scenes logic, servers, databases, and application security. This area suits those who enjoy solving complex technical problems and ensuring stability and scalability. Learning programming languages like Python, Java, or Node.js along database management prepares you for these roles. Full stack development blends both front-end and back-end expertise. This path requires versatility and continuous learning, a perfect challenge for those who enjoy mastering multiple parts of the web development puzzle. Choosing your specialty guides not only just what you'll study, but also helps tailor your job search and portfolio development. Many beginners experiment with multiple areas before deciding which suits them best. Education paths vary widely. Online courses, boot camps, and self-study resources provide accessible learning opportunities. For example, boot camps offer immersive accelerated programs with job placement support, ideal for career changers needing structure and guidance. Web development courses on Coursera give you a chance to learn systematically with expert instruction. Building a portfolio as you learn bridges theory with practice. Start by creating small projects, such as a personal website, a blog template, or an interactive photo gallery. Share your code on GitHub to demonstrate your skills and contribute to open source projects, or collaborate on community-driven efforts. These experiences not only reinforce your knowledge, but also signal commitment and ability to prospective employers. Networking in tech communities opens doors to mentorships, internships, and job opportunities. Engage in developer forums, attend meetups, and connect with peers and professionals on LinkedIn. These relationships provide real-world insight and keep you updated on industry developments. Job hunting in web development can feel competitive, but with a strong portfolio and targeted applications, entry-level roles such as junior developer or web designer are within reach. Be prepared to demonstrate your skills through coding tests and technical interviews. Continuous learning remains a constant in this field. Web technologies evolve quickly, so embracing curiosity and adaptability is key to a sustainable, fulfilling career. Over time, you can specialize further, lead teams, or transition into related roles like DevOps, UX, UI design, or product management. Embarking on a career in web development not only equips you with highly sought-after skills, but also empowers you to build applications that impact people worldwide. For a detailed path, structured learning recommendations, and role insights, explore the Switching to a Career in Web Development guide on Coursera. The link is in the description below to help you navigate your learning journey. Follow us for more career advice and start your web development training today with courses designed to equip you for success in this dynamic and ever-expanding field. Your future as a web developer starts now.